Morning guys. I said in my last video I'm doing a last ride on the 16X. I'm still waiting for a slot so I can go up to Speedy Feet to collect my S18. My S18 is now fixed. Ian gave me some feedback and said it might be a little bit of a different ride because of the new main board, because it's a total different board to the first batch of boards. So that's going to be interesting to have a spin on that. And I'm also looking at some other options to maybe see if I can get hold of another wheel to actually test drive. But guys, it is 0 degrees outside. Everything is frosty, as you can see from the plants, and even on top of this wooden beam is white. So it's going to be a quick short ride. I'm going to go down to the canal to see how it looks like there. But I've got my Keis heater jacket on. I was supposed to go for a mountain bike ride, but I couldn't get the mountain bike started or booted up. But yeah, S18, 16X, out for a ride, early morning, and come along, and I hope you enjoyed the ride. Oh, this is proper frosty. Woohoo! Awesome to be able to go out and have a little ride. It's like ice sheets. Okay, I had a quick stop because my hands was starting to freeze up. It's like it's really cold, and for some reason I didn't put my jacket on. But yeah, so just having a quick stop, get some life back into the hands, and then also just to show you the chest mount. Fairly straightforward, just a little clip. It works. But yeah, the battery is basically drained. I had 3 recordings and it's just dead because it's so cold. So let's keep on going. is now covering a lot of mud, and this wheel just keeps all the mud off you, compared to my previous weekend on the mountain bike where I was like properly caked up in mud. But yeah, this is such an awesome wheel. Stopped here. This is a pull box for, this was like way back as far as I understand, but they had to keep certain areas safe. So that's the little hole where you shoot from. Okay, it's still nice and wet, as you can see, but everything is frosted over. It's got a thin layer of ice on the top of all these puddles. Yeah, what? So yeah, I'm gonna make my way home, and I tried to go down the canal, but it's just too muddy and slippery, and I don't really want to drop the wheel in the canal. But I must just say, just sort of a just some feedback about winter riding, man. You know, I know a lot of guys has got proper snow and it's total different conditions to the UK, but it's really cold as well, and you need to be careful. Every sideways movement with your wheel, like sharp turning and stuff, try and stay away from that. Also, like really hard braking and fast accelerating, because the wheels have got so much torque, it will just spin out and you'll face plant or you'll fall. And when it's this cold and you fall, it's not really fun. But listen, good stuff, man. Like a proper set of waterproof thick winter gloves. Now, when I was teaching my daughter to actually ride the M10-3, she was saying like she was getting really cold. It's, yeah, because you don't do anything. You like can stand on the wheel, and the wind just like saps the heat out of your body, especially when it's cold. Because you don't do anything. You're not going down a trail or something where you get pumped. You're just standing and going through the wind. So nice set of thick gloves. Now I was even out with my winter motorbike gloves, and they worked really well as well. So anything that's padded in the inside, so if you do come off, you've got some hand protection. I've got a little buff on, like a motorbike buff, to keep my neck warm. I've got my Keis heater jacket on, and it's just on the low setting, but it just keeps that little bit of heat in your body, and it just makes such a big difference. You know, it just makes the ride much more comfortable. And then I've got Michael motorbike trousers, Gore-Tex trousers with knee guards, hip, and like a lower back pad in. Again, if you come off, I'm not riding very fast at the moment. It's sort of between maximum of about 20-25 miles an hour. But yeah, I don't want to take any chances at the moment. But guys, really, I hope you're getting out and getting some riding done. I will give you a feedback as soon as I've got my S18 back. I'm really keen to see how this wheel rides with a new board, and if there is any difference to it. And yeah, I hope you keep safe and making the best out of lockdown, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.
Break down my walls.